Me, Krista, and today I will be showing you a slime that I left in a container without a lid all day while I was at school. And I have never left out a slime. Well, I did, but it's when I first made it, and that was like a long time ago. So I don't have it anymore, and so I'm going to be making a video of how much it changed. So it was a really, really good slime, and then I left it out, and then once we were in the car for school, I was I had just realized that I left it open, and I was so mad at myself, but we couldn't come back home. So I will show you that slime. Okay, guys, I had to make it a little brighter. So, sorry, guys, I'm just trying to search. So anyway, here is the slime. It's hard to poke. Oh, guys, it smells so bad. That smells horrible. It is so, hard at the top. So here's the good bottom, but it still can't stretch because of the top. So look at the color. So that's the front, and that's the back. See, like this, I can poke. See, this part will kind of stretch, but if you try to stretch the other side, it smells so bad, guys. And the top where it's dried up, it's like rubber. I'm gonna cut it with my scissors. I'm gonna cut the top. Okay. Oh, guys, it smells so bad. I've never really dried up a slime. See how that just opened up? So here's the dry part. Here's the good part. So I'm gonna keep cutting this up. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get this to work. So anyway, here it is. It feels so gross. So I'm going to cut it. It is so bad. You hear that? Listen. I feel like it's breaking my scissors. Do you hear that? It sounds so bad. Well, this is what it is. They're just so gross. I don't even want to touch it. I feel like this was never even slime. I cut out this. And I had to cut it. I couldn't just break it off. I had to cut it. And normally it just breaks apart. It won't break apart, but it won't. Oh, it has some dried out parts. But anyway, listen, it's breaking my scissors. Listen to this. Wait. Okay. Ready? That's it's so gross. Here. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even stick to anything. Ready? It is so gross. so gross. Like, I hate the feel of it. Seriously? So, like, chop. Like, I can't even cut through it all the way. See? Okay. So, I cut that. So, now I'm going to put this together and see if it will cut. And did you hear that sound, though? It sounds so bad. So gross. This is like, okay, remember how it looked? Now look at it. Okay, now let's try to stick it back together. It won't even go, which that's not really a shock because it's dried up, so it's not supposed to stick and be sticky. Like, won't stick to anything. Just there's like, can't even like melt to go together. Oh, this is so gross, guys. Yeah, so now there's only a little bit of dried up slime on the top. So I'm gonna stretch it. But it's like still kind of stretchy. I'm just like, it's all I'm doing. And after you do that, it won't really stick back together anymore. It's like, oh, it just grosses me out. Like, I don't even have anything to do with this. That used to be a nice stretchy slime, and now it's this. Oh, this smells so bad, guys. I am going to throw this away. Oh, that smells so bad. I'm stabbing it. Okay, I gotta stop this stuff. It's so gross. Well, anyways, I hope you liked the video. Just give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in more of my videos. You guys are so lucky you can't smell this. It is so bad. So anyway, I gotta get rid of that stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out. And make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment on if you wish you could smell it, because you probably wouldn't want to.